Welcome back. The special CBI court has granted 14-day police remand to Dr. Vijay Desai. CBI had arrested Dr. Vijay Desai on Wednesday for allegedly murdering his wife Archana Desai. Archana was a teacher in a school at Madgaon. She was missing since 2010.
After 4 years, CBI has cracked Archana Desai murder case. CBI on Wednesday arrested husband of Archana, Vijay Desai, for allegedly murdering his wife. Vijay Desai, a doctor by profession, was suspended from his duty at Goa Medical College. Accused Vijay was produced before the special CBI court at Mapsa on Thursday, where the court granted him 14-day police remand. Initially, this case was investigated by Margao police, but when they failed to solve the case, Goa government transferred the case to CBI. Initial probe suggests that Vijay Desai planned and murdered his wife. Meanwhile, High Court has granted bail to Zenito Cardozo in LPK club vandalism case. The court has granted his bail on personal bond of 50,000 rupees and 1 or 2 surety of like amount. The court has also directed Zenito to appear before Porvorim police every Monday. Prosecution claims that on the direction of Zenito, a group of 25 goons had vandalized LPK Waterfront Club at Nerul in broad daylight on 22nd August last year. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Monsoon this year is expected to be below average. Indian Meteorological Department has issued press release stating forecast of below average monsoon. El Nino climatic conditions is the prime reason for prediction of below average monsoon.
Last year 2013 was the above average monsoon with 106% rain. In past decade, India faced drought particularly during the year 2002, 2004 and 2009. In these years, El Nino climatic phenomena was witnessed. El Nino is a climatic situation because of which Pacific Ocean water surface gets heated. Due to this sea warming, monsoon rains are affected in parts of Australia, Southeast Asia and Indian subcontinent. On the other hand, El Nino causes heavy rain in United States and Brazil. This year there are more chances of El Nino phenomena. For India, monsoons are very important as most of India's agriculture is dependent on rain showers. Less rain causes drastic fall in food grain production, thus severely affecting food supply. Indian Met Department makes 2 forecasts for monsoon every year. 24th April forecast is first such forecast of the year. Second forecast comes in the month of June. Traditionally, monsoon arrives in southern state of Kerala in the first week of June. Bureau Report Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.